What gives you hope about the future, not just of India, but all of human civilization, all of us humans here on Earth?
Well, I am an optimist at heart. Pessimism and negativity are simply not ingrained in my mindset. They don't align with the way I think. That's why I always gravitate toward the bright side instead. If we take a moment to reflect on the history of mankind, we see the incredible crises humans have overcome with resilience and strength. We also see the major changes humanity has embraced to evolve with the times. And this continuous transformation has carried on for millennia. In every era, it is in human nature to adapt to the ever flowing current of change. And while our progress has gone through cycles of ups and downs, it is those people who can break free from the constraints of these historical cycles and outdated thinking patterns. It is they who can help humanity achieve extraordinary positive breakthroughs with an unshackled speed and grace, transcending the limitations of the old way of doing things by embracing change.